Back again with another video out here at Oyster Lake with the family. I'm fishing. Got my nephew Zane, Bo, Granny Crystal. Brother-in-law, brother, Cammy, Miss Riley, my niece, stepdad, Jerry, my brother-in-law. Beautiful day. Shrimp boat, shrimp boat.
I am pretty sure there is something on your boat. Man, I love those.
What? You're gonna go viral, man. You're gonna be famous.
I'm about to throw this again.
No, you're not. What you think, Benny? What you think?
What do I think?
Yeah.
I think it's hotter than hell.
Yeah. Bo, what you think about out here? You love it?
Yeah.
Hey, Mom.
Hey. Yes, I love it because I'm the only one that got a keeper fish so far.
Keeper fish where?
That croaker.
Oh, that ain't. You got him as bait on the hook now.
Here, but I caught him and kept him on my hook better than y'all.
Oh, okay.
That's how that works.
Okay. Fair enough.
My strategy is to catch fish, crab right here,
Uh-huh.
hook right here, and then there's this thing, and I just go super low.
All right. Mom, I found a bunch of coral over there.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, you want to go look for coral with me?
I can't go in the water. I don't have a bathing suit on.
So what? Just go in that, Mom.
No, because then I'll be all wet all day long.
No, you won't. You'll dry in the sun and...
To explore. I
Mom,
wish.
come with me over there.
Get your sisters to go. They're in bathing suits.
Come with... You don't want to go find coral.
I love to go find coral, but I'm not dressed. to
There's
get in the
coral.
water.
There's coral everywhere out here, too.
Hey, I got a good hit while we go on this purpose.
You think so?
I did. Hey, coral. Coral is the stuff that you can find in the water. I find it at the beach sometime while you go.
Yeah. But there's coral everywhere over there on the other side.
And you know what's really weird? I see a lot of glass, but it's not frosted like at the beach.
Right. Look, let's see.
I found
Look.
a tooth a while ago.
A piece of coral right here, look.
Yep.
Coral. See?
Let me see. Yep, it sure is. It is.
Yep.
I'll keep it. Hopefully, no holes in the pocket.
Yep. But there's big pieces of...
Oh, here's a crab, buddy.
Come on, Bo, catch him.
You're gonna miss out. He's going to deep. Where is he? Right here. He's right here, bud. You might not gonna see him right there. You gotta stand right here. He's gonna swim right up here. He's right there. Okay, well, just hold on a second. Here, come up.
No, you do it.
You're okay. You're right here with me. I'm not gonna let anything happen to you, dude. And Granny got the boat. I'll jump in even in the hole.
Beautiful day out here.
No, it's not okay.
Yes, it is.
No, you can't punch like that, dude. You're gonna punch it up. Punch like that.
Boy, you better listen to your dad. Say hi for the camera, y'all.
Hi.
Y'all gonna go viral.
Oh, we can't wait.
Oh, yeah. You gotta go subscribe to Wild Crew 44. Don't forget. That's right. Now let's smash that like button. break your phone hitting it so hard. About to walk over there to that island. Stay tuned.
Let's get us going next when we take the boat out. We'll start with some fish.
Got some crabs. Check it out. Hung up, Josh? Caught some crabs. All right. A big one. We're headed out. Beautiful day. Bo, you have fun? It's good. Peace on.
After 44 out.
Out. We're headed out, finally, the crew.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So much fun!
Yeah.
Missing Blake and Ariel.
Yep.
Well, Bo, I'm glad you had fun with Granny's hat.
One person there.
The sun off your face. You need to get you one of those palm tree hats.
Don't go in that water, Benny, whatever you're doing. That hole right there, and then that one right up there, wherever that water's, it's fucking muddy as hell, or excuse my language, muddy. Hell.
Yeah.
Not a lady that was sitting next to us when we pulled up.
Yeah. Yeah, here. Oh, yeah.
And that white dude.
Yeah. What about her?
Caught a 47-inch red.
You're shitting me. Well, no shit. Whenever they left from over here, they.
Left from there and came up here. She caught a 44-inch red.
Dang.
That's probably Gammy swimming us.
Oh,
That's you.
Oh, that was that video from my phone.
Send that video to me, Mom.
Gammy sent it to all of y'all.
Hey, look, there's a fishing pole on there.
Yeah.
A rod and reel. Look at that rod and reel. Barnacles all over it. Cool.
wasn't no good.
No, it wasn't no good, but I got it anyways. Bo, did you have fun? That's cool. Cammy and Jerry gave me a fishing pole.
Yep.
Right?
Yep. Where's that? In the back. In the back.
No, that's up here.
Oh, okay. Yep. Gave it to you to keep. How sweet was that? Happy birthday.
Yeah.
Early birthday. Early birthday present. That's right.
Where's your seatbelt?
I will in a minute.
Yeah, it was.
Oh.
A good day. It was just a good day with everything.
I didn't wear a seatbelt the whole way up here.
Yeah, you did.
I did not wear a seatbelt the whole time.
Oh.
I told him to, but
I didn't hear you.
such a great trip.
I bet it looks like a fox, though. That's a little dog, though. I bet these people are having a blast too. I don't. I bet they've been here, man.
That is a cute dog. Great. And we had an early birthday party when you wanted the cake home. All that fun. I just hate that little Blakey moving their mom couldn't come.
I know it.
Maybe next time.
Maybe so.
And I sent your mom lots of pictures. She should be loaded up.
Yep. Man, we seen so many reds over there, me and Charlie, but we throw our bait over there and we lose our bait.
Yeah. Charlie's very quiet.
Charlie's quiet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He needs to be a real big head too.
Oh, really?
And he got his life together. He works, I think he's a lineman now.
Really?
Yeah. No, a lineman when the electricity goes out, you know, the electrical people that climb those poles and storms and whenever the power goes out, that's
Oh, look how beautiful it is.
they do.
Say bye-bye.